In this video, I am going to discuss traveling salesman problem using branch and bound method. First step, we have to write the cost matrix. Then row reduction. Select the least element from each row and subtract it from all the elements in that row. After that, column reduction. Select the least element from each column and subtract it from all the elements in that column. After performing row reduction and column reduction, we have to write the reduced cost. Reduced cost is equal to row reduction cost plus column reduction cost. Then we have to draw a partial space tree for the nodes. Compute the reduced cost for all the nodes. First you have to change the entries row I to infinity, column j to infinity and node I, j to infinity. Perform row reduction and column reduction in the resulting matrix for all the nodes. After that you have to find reduced cost for the nodes corresponding to edge I, j. That is reduced cost at node I plus reduced cost at node j plus cost I, j. Continue the procedure till we get the minimum cost and the optimal path. Let us move on to the problem. Solve the following traveling salesman problem using branch and bound method. Here some 4 cities is given. The traveling cost from one place to another is given. We have to find the minimum traveling cost and the optimal path for this problem. First we have to write the cost matrix for this problem. From 2. Some 4 cities 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 cities. City 1 to 1 is infinity. City 1 to 2 is 4. City 1 to 3 is 9. City 1 to 4 is 5. City 2 to 1 is 6. City 2 to 2 is infinity. City 2 to 3 is 4. City 2 to 4 is 8. City 3 to 1 is 9. City 3 to 2 is 4. City 3 to 3 is infinity. City 3 to 4 is 9. City 4 to 1 is 5. City 4 to 2 is 8. City 4 to 3 is 9. City 4 to 4 is infinity. This is the cost matrix. The traveling cost for each city is given here. We have to find the minimum traveling cost and the optimal path for this problem. First step, we have to go for row reduction. Select the least element from each row and subtract it from all the element in that row. In the first row, minimum value is 4. The second row, the minimum value is 4. Third row, the minimum value is 4. Fourth row, the minimum value is 5. With this, you subtract all the elements. First row 4 is the least number. So infinity. 4 minus 4 is 0. 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. Second row 4 is the least number. So 6 minus 4 is 2. Infinity. 4 minus 4 is 0. 8 minus 4 is 4. Third row 4 is the least number. So 9 minus 4 is 5. 4 minus 4 is 0. Infinity. 9 minus 4 is 5. Fourth row 5 is the least number. So 5 minus 5 is 0. 8 minus 5 is 3. 9 minus 5 is 4. Infinity. Row reduction is over. Next step, column reduction. Select the least element from each column and subtract it from all the elements in that column. In the first column, the least number is 0. Second column least number is 0. Third column least number is 0. Fourth column least number is 1. With the minimum element you subtract all the other element. First column 0 is the least number, so you write as it is infinity 2 5 0. Second column 0 is the minimum number, so 0 infinity 0 3. Third column 0 is the least number, so you write as it is 5 0 infinity 4. Fourth column 1 is the least number, so you subtract with all the elements. 1 minus 1 is 0, 4 minus 1 is 3, 5 minus 1 is 4, infinity. From the row reduction you have minimum values 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 5, and from column reduction your value is 1. Reduced cost is row minimum value plus column minimum values, that is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 5 plus 1, which is equal to 18. Reduced cost is nothing but the sum of row minimum and column minimum values. The value is 18. This is the reduced matrix. With this we can proceed further. Next we have to draw partial space tree. Here we have 4 cities. The first node is 1. From the first node the salesman can go to node 2, node 3 and node 4. The possibilities are node 2, node 3, node 4. So the path is 1 to 2, 1 to 3 and 1 to 4. We have to find the reduced cost for each node. For node 1, the reduced cost is nothing but row reduction cost plus column reduction cost, that is 18. This value is obtained from sum of row minimum and column minimum values. 1 is the parent node. From this we can expand node 2, node 3 and node 4. We have to find the reduced cost for each node. For the path 1 to 2, for the edge 1, 2, we have to write the matrix. Row 1 is infinity, column 2 is infinity, and the node 2, 1 is infinity. After column reduction we have one matrix. That matrix is a reduced matrix. In that matrix you put row 1 is infinity, column 2 is infinity and the node 2, 1 is infinity. That is row 1 is infinity, column 2 is infinity and node 2, 1 is infinity. This is 2, 1 node, and you write the remaining as it is in the reduced matrix, that is 0, 3, 5, infinity, infinity, 4, 0, infinity, 4, infinity. In the reduced matrix we put row 1 infinity, column 2 infinity and node 2, 1 infinity, and you write the remaining as it is in the reduced matrix. For this matrix you have to perform row reduction first. First row no minimum value, second row minimum value is 0, third row the minimum value is 4 and the fourth row minimum value is 0. So first row is infinity, second row 0 is the minimum number, so you write as it is. Third row 4 is the minimum number, with this you subtract other element 1, infinity, infinity, 0. And the fourth row 0 is the least number, 0, infinity, 4, infinity. Now row reduction is over. After row reduction you have to check all the columns. First column 0 is the least number, so no change. Second column infinity, third column 0 is the least number, no change. Fourth column 0 is the least number, so no change. Reduction cost for node 1, 2 is nothing but reduction cost for node 2, that is row reduction plus column reduction value. Row reduction value is 4, column reduction value is 0. So 4 plus reduced cost for node 1, the parent node, the reduced cost is 18 plus this is the reduced matrix, the cost of 1, 2 is 0. So you put 0 here. Reduction cost for the node 1, 2 is 4 plus 18 plus 0, that is 22. Next we have to find the reduction cost for node 1, 3. Row 1 is infinity, column 3 is infinity, and node 3, 1 is infinity. For this path, row 1 is infinity, column 3 is infinity, and node 3, 1 is infinity. The reduced matrix is first row infinity, third column infinity, and 3, 1 is infinity. And you write the remaining as it is. That is 2, infinity, 3, third row, infinity, 0, infinity, 4, the fourth row, 0, 3, infinity, infinity. This is the reduced matrix, and for this you have to find the row reduction first. First row infinity, second row the minimum value is 2, third row minimum value is 0, fourth row minimum value is 0. First row infinity is there, second row minimum value is 2, third row minimum value is 0, fourth row minimum value is 0. So the matrix is infinity, 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 infinity. Second row 2 minus 2 is 0, infinity, infinity, 3 minus 2 is 1. Third row 0 is the least number, so you write as it is. Fourth row 0 is the least number, so you write as it is 0, 3, infinity, infinity. After that you have to check the column. First column 0 is the least number, second column 0 is the least number, third column infinity, and the fourth column 1 is the least number. So you have to perform column reduction. First column 0 is the least number, so infinity, 0, infinity, 0. Second column 0 is the least number, so infinity, infinity, 0, 3. Third column infinity, you write. The fourth column 1 is the least number, so infinity, 0, 3, infinity. Reduced cost for the node 1, 3 is reduced cost at node 3. Node 3 is nothing but row minimum value plus column minimum value, that is 2 plus 1, 3, plus reduced cost at node 1, the parent node is 18, plus cost for 1, 3. Cost for 1, 3 is taken from the reduced matrix. The cost for row 1, column 3 is 5. 3 plus 18 plus 5, that is 26. The reduced cost for node 1, 3 is 26. Next we have to find the reduced cost for the node 1, 4. For this node, row 1 is infinity, column 4 is infinity, and node 4, 1 is infinity. Row 1 is infinity, column 4 is infinity, and the node 4, 1 is infinity. Now the reduced matrix is first row infinity, fourth column infinity, 4, 1 is infinity, and you write the remaining as it is, that is 2, infinity, 0, and here 5, 0, infinity. Fourth row infinity, 3, 4. For this matrix you have to perform row reduction and column reduction. First row infinity, second row 0 is the minimum number, third row 0 is the minimum number, fourth row 3 is the minimum number. So row reduction is first row infinity, 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 infinity. Second row 0 is the least number, so you write as it is 2, infinity, 0, infinity. Third row 5, 0, infinity, infinity. Fourth row 3 is the least number, so infinity, 3 minus 3 is 0, 4 minus 3 is 1, and infinity. First column 2 is the minimum number, second column 0, third column 0, and fourth column infinity. So we have to perform column reduction. Infinity, 2 minus 2 is 0, 5 minus 2 is 3, infinity. Second column 0 is the least number, so we write as it is. Infinity, infinity, 0, 0. Third column infinity, 0, infinity, 1. Fourth column, all the entries are infinity. After row reduction and column reduction, we have to find the reduced cost for the node 1, 4. The reduced cost for the node 1, 4 is reduced cost for the node 4, that is 3 plus 2, 5. Reduced cost for the node 1, the parent node is 18. Cost of 1, 4, that is taken from the reduced matrix. The cost of 1, 4 is 0. So, the reduced cost for the node is 23. Now, we have to write the cost for all the nodes. For the node 1, 2, the cost is 22. For the node 1, 3, the cost is 26. For the node 1, 4, the cost is 23. From these three nodes, you have to select the minimum value. Node 2, the cost is 22. Node 3, cost is 26. And node 4, the cost is 23. From this, the minimum value is 22. So, we have to expand node 2. For node 2, the next possibilities are 3 and 4. So, you expand. This is 3 and this is 4. We have to find the reduced cost for these two nodes. This is path 1, 2, 3 and this is 1, 2, 4. First we have to find 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 4. We have to find the reduced cost for the path 1, 2, 3 from the path 1, 2. Let me write. For this path, the edge is 2, 3. So, row 2, infinity, column 3, infinity, and 3, 1 node is infinity. The reduced matrix is second row is infinity, third column is infinity, and you write the remaining as it is, that is infinity, 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 and 1, infinity. 3, 1 is also infinity, so put infinity here, and this is infinity, this is 0, 0, infinity, infinity. This is the reduced matrix for the path 1, 2, 3. For this, you have to perform row operation and column operation. First row, infinity, second row, infinity, third row, 0 is the minimum number, fourth row, 0 is the minimum number. Column wise, you can check 0, infinity, infinity, and 0. So, we can write the reduced cost directly. Reduced cost for node 2. For node 2 is the parent node here. The parent node, the cost is 22. The reduced cost for node 3. For this node, row minimum and column minimum is 0. The cost of 2, 3 is 0. So, the reduced cost is 22 for the path 1, 2, 3. Okay, next we have to write the reduced cost for the path 1, 2, 4. The edge is 2, 4. So, row 2, infinity, column 4, infinity, and the node 4, 1 is infinity. So, write the reduced matrix. From these matrix, you have to write the reduced matrix for the path 1, 2, 4. The reduced matrix is second row infinity, fourth column infinity, 4, 1 is infinity. Write the remaining value as it is. Infinity, infinity, infinity. Third row, 1, infinity, infinity. And the fourth row, infinity, 4. From this, you have to perform row reduction and column reduction. First row, dash. Second row, infinity. Third row, 1 is the minimum number. Fourth row, 4 is the minimum number. So, you have to perform row reduction. First row infinity, second row also infinity, third row 1 is the least number, so 0, infinity, 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 and fourth row 4 is the least number, infinity, infinity, 0, infinity. For column reduction, here 0 is the least number, so we can find the reduced cost for this path. Reduced cost for 1, 2, 4 is nothing but reduced cost for node 2, the parent node is 22. Reduced cost for the node 4, that is 1 plus 4 is 5, plus the node value for 2, 4 in the reduced matrix. This is the reduced matrix. The node 2, 4 is 3. So you write 3 here. So the value is 30. The reduced cost for this path is 30. For node 3, the cost is 22. For node 4, the cost is 30. Now from the nodes, node 3 value is 22, node 4 30, node 3 26 and node 4 23. From these 4 values, the least value is 22. So the only possibility you have to expand 3. For this path, the only possibility is 4. You have to expand 4. This is 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. You have to expand this. For this, you have to find the reduced cost. The reduced cost for the path 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4 for the edge 3, 4. This is the base matrix. From this, you have to find the reduced matrix. For this, row 3 is infinity, column 4 is infinity, and 4, 1 is infinity. The reduced matrix is taken from the path 1, 2, 3. That is, row 3 is infinity, column 4 is infinity, and you write the remaining as it is. That is, here 4, 1 is also infinity, and you write the remaining as it is. All the rows and columns contains infinity. Here all the rows and column contains infinity. So no need for the row operation and column operation. Reduced cost for the node 3. The parent node is 22. The reduced cost for the node 4. For this node, the value is 0. And the cost of 3, 4. The cost of 3, 4 is third row, fourth column is 0. So the reduced cost for this matrix is 22. This is the reduced matrix for this particular problem. So the reduced cost is 22. After finding the reduced cost for the node 4, you have to check all the cost. Here the values are 22, 30, 26 and 3. 22 is the least number. So the corresponding path is the optimum path. The optimum path is 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4 and 4 to 1. The optimum path is 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4 and 4 to 1. The minimum cost is 22. If you want, you can check it with the original problem also. Node 1 to 2, the value is 4. 2 to 3, the value is 4. And 3 to 4, the value is 9. And 4 to 5, the value is 5. If you add all the values, you will get 22 only. Minimum cost is obtained in the tree itself. If you want, you can check it with your problem also. There also you will get 22. In this way, you have to find the optimal path and the minimum cost using branch and bound technique. This method is quite interesting and easy to understand. Thank you for watching.